Good morning! For this video, I'm going to show you the different cutting techniques.
Before we start chopping, we should make sure that our cutting board is secure. We should put a cloth underneath the chopping board. The next thing we should consider is to make sure we're using the knife properly. The proper way is to put your finger and your thumb at the very back of the knife and wrap your fingers around it. This is a dangerous way of cutting. The proper way is to form a claw. Mincing. The most common is a minced garlic. First is to remove the root end. The next step is to place the garlic under the blade and smash down and peel the garlic. And you can now chop the garlic. Repeat this a ton of times and you can use your finger on the other side of the blade to help stabilize. Dicing. So for an onion, which is the common thing to dice, is to cut the onion in half first. So the next step is to peel the outer layers. Make a few incisions horizontally. Make a few cuts vertically and you're going to start chopping along. And now we got diced onion. The next thing is julienne. First, we should peel the carrots. Julienne is commonly used with carrots. Cut it into two. Create a flat base. Then cut down the length to make a thin slice. Next is to stack the carrots up. And then you're going to slice it through the stalk. And there you go, we have now julienne. Macédoine. Same as julienne cut, but this macédoine is bigger in size as julienne. Next is to cut it like a brunoise, but a bigger one to produce a masidwa cut. And now we have a masidwa brunoise. From Julian cut, stock the julienne and align the edges using the knife blade. Cut across the julienne to make small dice. We have now created a brunoise. Oblique cut or roll cut. For the oblique cut, we should peel first the carrot. The next is to trim the end of diagonally. Rotate it so that the diagonal is going away from you. And roll the carrot again and cut it, and just keep rolling and cut it again. We have now an oblique cut. Chiffonade. This is most commonly used with herbs, but I don't have any herb at home, so let's assume first that this is a herb. First, you just stock in a pile, then roll them up from the top all the way down. And now we can start chopping into thin slices. And there you go, we have chiffonade. Mincing. Dicing. Julian. Brunoise. Masidwa. Oblique cut. Chiffonade.
And we're done. So those are the 7 cutting techniques.